Now we will discuss what is rusting or corrosion of iron. When iron objects they are kept outside in moist air, a reddish brown flaky substance develops on the iron objects. This reddish brown flaky substance which develops on the iron object is called as rust, and this process is called as rusting. In rusting actually the iron first reacts with oxygen present in air to form ferric oxide. This ferric oxide further reacts with moisture present in air to form hydrated ferric oxide, and this hydrated ferric oxide is actually called rust. Let us see this with the help of reaction. Now iron objects which are kept outside moist air, first they will react with oxygen present in air. So 4Fe plus thrice O2 will give twice Fe2O3, which is ferric oxide. This ferric oxide further reacts with moisture present in air to form hydrated ferric oxide. And this hydrated ferric oxide is called as rust. So there are two conditions which are necessary for rusting to take place. First, presence of oxygen, and second, presence of moisture. When both oxygen and moisture they are present, iron objects they'll get rusted. Now the next point is, how can we prevent iron objects from getting rusted? There are few ways by which we can prevent iron objects from getting rusted. First is by applying oil or grease on the iron objects. Second, by applying red lead oxide paint on them. Third is by applying coal tar. This is the cheapest way of preventing iron objects from getting rusted. Then galvanization of iron. Galvanization is a process of developing a thin coating of zinc over the iron objects by dipping the iron objects in molten zinc. Such an iron which has got coating of zinc over it is called as galvanized iron, and this prevents iron from getting rusted. Next way by which we can prevent iron objects from getting rusted is by electroplating. Electroplating is a process of developing a thin film of a superior metal over the inferior metal by using electric current. So a thin film of chromium or nickel is developed over the iron objects, which prevents the iron objects from getting rusted. Then another method is tin plating. Tin plating is also a method of developing a thin coating of tin over the iron objects by dipping the iron objects in molten tin. This also prevents iron from getting rusted. And then alloying is another method of preventing iron objects from getting rusted. So these are the ways by which we can prevent iron objects from getting rusted.